This is a Tiago. It's the HVAC system. I have opened a panel. This panel stays like this, you can see. So once you undo 4 screws, you have access to the HVAC system. So over here we have the filter, which I installed yesterday, a new filter. And this is a flap which I want to look at. It's the aircon recirculate flap. And if I just press this button here, this one, just see what happens, flips open. So the trouble in mine is that even when the flap's closed, I get outside smells coming in. So there's a leak somewhere. I'm going to clean it up, oil it up, and see if it makes a difference. So I've just sprayed some of this liquid antibacterial solution from the hospital and some dish soap. I'm going to wipe it up after giving it a good scrub with a toothbrush. Thankfully it's accessible. Clean it up. Once I've done this surface, I'll start it up and clean the inner surface so that any contact points where there is a seal being made, there won't be any gunk causing it to stay partially open. So that's the undersurface, and can you see these foam bits here? So that's apparently supposed to keep a seal so that you don't get any leak of bad smells when you have recirc mode on. Mine seems to be really dirty. I'm just going to clean it up. Hopefully this should work. I just sprayed this with salty water, then an antibacterial solution using a detailing brush like that. And I'll just rinse it up with clean water now. So that's another attempt at cleaning the condenser, the evaporator. I've done it twice already. Still looks like there's a big patch which needs attention. It's not easy. I tried to remove this thing. There are silver clips over here. I've removed a few, but it just seems like you can't take it out. You need to dismantle the entire thing. If you can take this thing out, I don't know why it's there. If I just cut it off and throw it away, would it make a difference? Probably not. It just protects the recirculating flap. If I cut it off, and it will make it really easy to clean the evaporator. But that's how the evap looks now. That's like 80% clean, and I'm going to reinstall the filter and finish it off.